This is a brief demonstration of importing XML data into InDesign. First, we have a very simple XML structure that has a few fields for simple graphic and text elements. Over here we have a copy of that with actual data typed in, some sample letters and words, links to references to a couple of images, and a few sentences. In InDesign, I created a template that had a number of frames, some of them for graphics, some for text. I created tags that corresponded to the XML elements and had a different tag for each element coming in. And then this file represents an XML structure that corresponds to that empty XML file we saw a moment ago. With this file, if I import XML and into the file, it places all the elements according to the tags that came in and where those tags were associated on the page. I'm going to undo that import so we're back to an empty document and do it again. This time, upon doing the import, I will tell it to create a link to that XML file. It does exactly the same thing, and we're going to save this file. We'll just give it a right over our previous one. And we'll go back to our XML document and we'll change the letters in focus so that they are different from before. Save the XML file again. Come back to InDesign. We'll close the file and reopen it. Now it detects that the source file has been modified, so I will tell it to update the links. So when it pulls in the file, opens the file this time, it shows the changes that we made later to the XML file. So changes to the document can be made in the XML file and don't have to be made inside InDesign.